So here we have the right Shin piece for the ARC Trooper. And we're going to start this one by Velcroing, since my clamps are being used to glue and cure my thigh piece right now. So I'm just going to be doing the Velcro side first. Down here at the bottom, this is kind of like one of those instances where I wasn't too sure of which line to follow. Like you can probably see here, there's a little bit of this extra piece still there. Like I did see one line that I followed and I trimmed that away, and then at the back I was kind of like, well, do I trim it off to right here at this ridge, kind of right here, or do I go all the way to this surface, you know? So I wasn't too sure how far I should be going, because there was more than one line, and I wasn't sure which one I should trim to. But for right now, like on the back piece, I definitely did cut that all away to the surface, so that way this can come together. So I assume that this should also be coming off at some point, but for right now I'm going to leave it, and then if I need to, I'll be able to cut that out later. Anyway, so onto the Velcro. So like I know that he said that he wanted to, there's little spots for the Velcroing part, but I don't know if I should just go down the entire line. I'm just worried that like if I only do like those particular spots, like is that going to be enough to hold down, you know, this end piece right here all the way to this piece right here or not. So maybe I'll do like one here, one here, one here, and then one at the top. First I'll do these three, I guess, and then I'll see how well it holds. If I have to add one up there, then I will. So just cut this piece in half. Now that I'm looking at it, I think the thicker, softer side, you know, there's a definitely difference in thickness for these two pieces. I think the thicker side is meant to go, the softer side is meant to go in here, so I'll go ahead and cut that out and put it in there. And again, probably better to get black Velcro to do this from the get-go, but I figured, if people can still see it, I can always spray paint it, so I don't want to wait anymore for white Velcro to come in, so I'll just see how far I can get with the black before I absolutely need to get Velcro, white Velcro. Gotta find that little... piece on this side. Oh, there we go. Okay. Put that in there. Okay. Cut out another piece, about the same size pretty much. Okay, yeah, so here's something I'm learning right now. Be sure to measure the size completely before you put it in, just to make it all nice and neat. guess I won't be needing a piece of Velcro. Oh, okay, I'll just go ahead and finish up the other pieces. I guess one smart way to go about this is like when you're measuring the two pieces is to kind of make a little marker, so with a pencil or a pen on the other side, just so you know where that Velcro piece is going, instead of me going back and forth and eyeballing it. But that's what this video is all about, for making things and learning from mistakes or finding better, easier, more efficient ways to go about this. Alright, those two are looking okay. Last but not least, we'll get this little guy at the bottom. This little square here ought to do it. Right about there. Let's try it this way. Let's see if this is any better. Actually, no, I'm not gonna, it's going to work either. Okay, let's see if that was close enough. I should go put more Velcro through there. This doesn't seem to be closing as tightly as I'd like it to be. Well, at least it's a little bit closed enough, or when I glue this section together, it'll already have that closed shape to it that the glue will form to. Okay, yeah, let's do one more at the top, just so I can see that better. Well, at least it's holding it right. See how that works. So we'll take its counterpart, which is a little bit smaller, but that's alright. We can go back and make adjustments later if needed. Goes about right here. Okay, let's see how that works. Still having that little bit of a gap issue, so that actually didn't really fix the problem any, just made it tighter at the top, I guess. I guess like when I read more stuff about how this is supposed to be addressed, I'll put that in the video later on, but for right now, that's the first side of the right shin piece.